Boom, so we're going to talk about the dating scene because me, they must say dating scene a cesspool in a brother. Zane?
Garbage.
But the first thing we're going to talk about is why do men barely approach women anymore? That the woman they want to know. Why do men not approach them? I see one video, if you see it, a viral video, where them have singles mixer. For the man and woman them, singles mixer. See me can find it.
Yeah.
And a be a woman. No man never show up. And you know man love girl. So
bro, them girl say them want the man them in a top 1%. You see me? Majority of man in a top 1% because they are the majority.
Better believe it.
Them express them disgust when them see certain man. You, don't approach me, I don't want no man to talk to me. Me even see a video where a woman, she did one podcast and she said, if a man look upon her, it's like harassment.
By looking at her.
So
him now look upon her and lick lip on her, look up and down and
right?
him not do that. Him just a look upon her.
She feels like he's undressing her with his eyes.
Feel like say. So she come to that the conclusion then.
So why would I, if a girl give me choosing signal, I go over there. But why would I just randomly approach a girl just because I'm feeling in the mood for, talk to a woman? A woman have to give me choosing signal first because the climate we're in right now, it's kind of sticky. Imagine. And when them girls reject some of them money, bro, ew, no, bye, I'm like, God dang.
I'm not interested.
Yeah, right? So, some of them young youth here, them scared. Because I know you not afraid for approaching a girl. Me not afraid for approaching a girl. But a whole heap of video we see where man talk about them thing, woman express themselves and I say, yo, nobody not talk to it. Same thing with the singles mixer. And then you have the man them now where I say, uno disrespectful.
Yeah.
Uno want a man where I make $80,000 a year. The average American don't make that.
Yeah, the average American as a whole.
Right? They don't make that.
Most people in America will make them kind of money there and more is 2 income households.
Right.
Already.
Right.
You know what I mean?
So it's like the youth them just discouraged from jump. I kind of understand. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I agree. Because that don't make sense. And first off, me I'm a firm believer in this. I feel like you're not supposed to ask nobody for not knowing you're not capable of. I'm a firm believer in that.
I agree.
Because how do you tell me somebody if you make $80,000 a year?
And
you don't. So by what standard are you living? Because if you can't live up to something, how you expect me to live up to that? Imagine if when me in the army, me I tell soldiers to perform duties and tasks when me
you
can't
do.
You know crazy that sound?
And then probably I'll question the leadership too.
Them have a question the leadership.
But Sarge, you can't do that.
Yeah, them have a question the leadership. Because, that don't make sense. You see me? Oftentimes we have another question now where it seems as though woman feel like say, anything that men can do, they can do. So at this point, it seems like say the two away share the same chromosomes then. Because clearly them, I said them are the same. So I wonder if you feel like say man and woman are the same.
No. We're not the same at all.
Okay.
Biology speaks for all of that. Same thing as the chromosome a while ago. We're born is not the same. You understand what I say? We're organs bigger. You understand? So it's like society full of shit, bro. And being different don't mean you're less than.
Exactly.
Because
thank you.
Things a woman do, man can't do. Things a man do, woman can't do. I don't want to be the same as a woman. I don't want my woman to be the same as me. I'm gonna love her for fear differences. She's gonna love me for mine. Even in the military, bro, majority of the injuries them are woman. Because them can't really to manage them. And majority of them injuries are leg or hip.
This is true. Most women when they come out of the military are them hips.
Hip, back, legs, them can't manage the pressure. So if we were the same, why are they getting injured more than men?
Yeah.
You understand what I say? And we now look upon them as the weaker sex because there are strengths where women have where we not have. So it's like we are not the same, but you're not less than.
Exactly.
And until them know that, them always gonna feel like, oh, we have them right here. No.
If you check the levels in a row, this is a part of it too. They equate the things them when man have as strength.
Yeah.
So you see those traits aren't necessarily attributed to them, them think the opposite. Weak. When it's like, no. You have strengths too.
Right?
You see? You're just strong in a different area.
Exactly.
And nothing wrong with that.
Things with them strong in, we weak in. Things that we strong in, you're weak in.
Yeah, which is why man make for woman and woman make for man. So when them try to do this competition thing, imagine a woman that try to compete for the title of strongest man. It probably not work out.
No.
Because men are men and women are women.
Definitely.
But if I imagine a man go try to compete with a woman in terms of, I don't know, who them feel like can give birth, who them feel like can be the better nurturer, right? A lot of times women are going to have men beat at that.
By far.
See
By
what I say?
far.
Yeah, because guess what? While men can nurture, and this is the argument that I hear some people come in. Them are going to say, oh, well, society has told men that they can't be good nurturers like women. And it's like, well, me hear what you say. But you remember how when them used to say in every joke there is some truth? Right? Or you hear them say in every stereotype, it's chances are there's truth in it, which is why it became a stereotype.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Some man might be able to nurture just as good as some women, but that's not majority
That's
men.
not. Them always have pull for the exception.
Yeah, man. So the little piece there, them draft the little piece and say, but look, him can do this. If I think about it this way, if I have 10 people run up the whole of them, I'm going to make them live beside a beach, but I'm going to teach nobody to swim. I'm going to take all 10 of them and fling them in the water. If say somebody make it, manage to learn how to swim in the moment and make it, right? They were the exception.
True.
They were the lucky one.
Yeah.
Because you were supposed to drown like everybody else.
Yeah.
So you can't use that to dictate, say, well, the rest of them should have can learn like that person and swim out. No, that's just not how the world works.
I agree.
You see what I
There is
say?
beauty in differences and we should learn to accept that.
Yeah.
Stop trying to compete with one another. And this is all the same thing Andrew talked about, the plan of the elites. They want all of us to feel like, say, yo, we are this special being and this and that. We're all special, but we're different. We're different.
They make the woman
We can't compete. We can't compete with one
They
another.
make the woman compete because they want women to pay taxes.
Pretty much.
So they don't have to be in the house no more.
Pretty much.
Go out, go work. So them tell you, say, the men are this and you're being oppressed and whatever. So go get smart, go out into the world and work. So then you can pay taxes so that we can get more money.
Damn right.
That's all it is.
And we can control the children.
Literally. Because nobody's in the home no more.
Yeah.
You send off a picnic on there, so now here what? LGBTQ and everybody run in, shelling down. We make them weak. Anything going with the father, anything weird, I don't know, make you incarcerate him, make you kill him. I don't know. Something.
Crazy.
Forget him out. Them not pay attention.
Nope.
But one thing we can tell people, in this society nowadays, you need to be somewhat out for yourself. Because you follow people, brother. You do,
man.
Yeah, man.
You
You follow them. You see me?